What if your daily routines are quietly draining your energy and vitality? Welcome back to Healthforyou. Today we're exposing how modern habits are lowering testosterone, a hormone crucial for energy, mood, and muscle. Studies show testosterone is dropping with each generation, and our lifestyles are to blame. I'll reveal 6 hidden habits that sabotage your hormones, and how to fix them, starting now. Let's dive in. First up, poor sleep. In our busy world, skipping sleep is common, but it's devastating for testosterone. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Cut your sleep short, and your hormone levels plummet. One study found just a week of 5-hour nights dropped men's testosterone by up to 15%, the equivalent of aging a decade. The fix? Prioritize 7-9 hours of quality sleep. Make your room dark, cool, and screen-free before bed. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Track your sleep with a wearable or app to stay accountable. Better sleep means better hormones. Don't underestimate it. Next, a sedentary lifestyle. Our bodies are built to move, not sit all day. Sitting signals your body to lower muscle and testosterone production. More fat, especially around the belly, further reduces testosterone by converting it to estrogen. The solution: resistance training. Lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises boosts testosterone naturally. Focus on compound moves like squats, push-ups, and lunges. No gym? No problem. Use your body weight at home. Move more, sit less, and your hormones will thank you. Break the sitting cycle. Let's talk carbs. The real problem isn't carbs. It's refined, processed carbs like white bread and soda. These spike your blood sugar and insulin, which over time lowers testosterone. Instead, choose complex carbs: oats, sweet potatoes, beans, and whole fruits. Their fiber keeps blood sugar stable and supports healthy hormones. Don't cut carbs. Swap the junk for whole foods. Try oatmeal with berries for breakfast instead of sugary cereal. This simple change can stabilize energy and support testosterone all day. Fuel your body right. Not eating enough protein? That's a testosterone killer. Protein is essential for muscle, immune function, and hormone production. Low protein puts your body in a stressed, muscle-wasting state. Bad news for testosterone. Aim for 0.71 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Lean meats, eggs, fish, and dairy are great sources. Start your day with a protein-rich meal to stay full and energized. Feed your hormones what they need. Even with enough calories and protein, missing key micronutrients can sabotage testosterone. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D are crucial for hormone production. Deficiencies are common with modern diets. Eat oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds for zinc, leafy greens and almonds for magnesium, and get sunlight or fatty fish for vitamin D. Don't fear healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish are essential for hormone health. If you suspect a deficiency, get a blood test before supplementing. Whole foods first, supplements only if needed. Micronutrients matter. The final habit: chronic stress and negative thinking. Stress raises cortisol, which directly lowers testosterone. Your body can't tell the difference between real danger and daily worries. High stress diverts resources away from hormone production. Manage stress with meditation and deep breathing, or time in nature. Try a gratitude journal. Write 3 good things each night to shift your mindset. Your mental health is your hormonal health. Calm your mind, boost your testosterone. There you have it. 6 habits that could be draining your vitality. Start small. Pick one area to improve, like sleep or movement. Consistency beats perfection. Make these changes, and you'll build a stronger, more energetic you. Like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Stay healthy, stay strong. See you next time.